Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download driver Canon. This here for Canon imageCLASS, this here for serial. You type here for driver download and please swipe and search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not advanced and easy to download for the official website, and this here and please swipe. This here for official website. You click here and this here for detect automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the download the printer for the Windows 10 for the Linux, you click here. This here for the Linux and Macintosh, and this here for Windows driver. And this video I need download driver specific for the Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11, and this here for the language English, and this here for support for the printer for the Windows 11, and this here for the printer. You click here, and this here for the support for model, this here for the operating system and setup instruction. If you need download, you click here for the download, and this here for the drive for download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please wait. Finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click file. You click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video or you search for by Google. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.